Once you've decided on your main points and central idea, it's time to gather supporting material. There are sources of information that can help you deliver your speech. There are many places you can go to find supporting material. You can use your own knowledge and experience. Use knowledge and experience of others by interviewing them, by doing library research, and using the internet to find additional information. For the first speech, you will draw on your own experiences and interests to gather information, from your job or hobby to just from everyday life. Incorporating a personal story into your speech can be a great attention getter and can help establish credibility with your audience. A research interview is an interview you do with an expert to get information about your speech. As part of a college community, we have many experts on campus in areas as diverse as chemistry and political science to nursing and journalism. You may also have friends and family that can provide you with information, but be sure to identify them in terms of their expertise rather than their relationship to you. For example, according to Susanna Brinkley, whose mother was raised in South Africa and whose grandmother still lives there, the country's best feature is Table Mountain. The Durham Tech Library has two ways you can search for sources. The first is the online catalog. The catalog lists all the books, periodicals, and other resources owned by the library. Most catalogs allow users to search by author, title, subject, or keyword. And the key to finding a book on the shelves is the call number. Next are databases. You will use an online database to find the full text of articles applicable to your topic. Databases are divided into subject groups and can show you the full text of articles from newspapers, magazines, and scholarly journals. It's an easy way to access a wide range of material. Try several databases to find a different article or information. There's a whole video for you on how to navigate the Durham Tech Library website to find information from the library catalog and databases. And don't be afraid to ask a librarian to help you. Many students waste a lot of valuable time looking for information in the wrong places. The librarians will help you, but only if you ask. Don't think you're bothering them or wasting their time. Remember, it's their job to help you. Searching the internet may seem like an easier alternative than searching the library. But remember, you can find the full text of many newspapers or journal articles using the library website from an on or off-campus location, meaning you never even have to step foot in the library. The internet holds an almost unimaginable amount of information, but remember to use the internet research to supplement, not replace, library research. No more than half of each of the sources for each speech should come from the internet. And you do not need to have any internet sources in your speech. So how do you find information on the internet? First, search engines such as Google can help you find information. Now, rather than a standard search, try searching Google News or Google Scholar for more credible information. You can also search websites for news organizations like the New York Times, CNN, NBC, etc. You can also find information on organizational or corporation websites like the Center for Disease Control, NASA, or the Endometriosis Association. Now, where you should not look for information is Wikipedia. The online encyclopedia is not a primary source. So while it is a good place to start looking for information, you'll need to look a little further for information to actually cite in your speeches.